Hi, Mike Swanson here. I want to talk to you today about a couple of things. Next Monday, I'm going to give to you a guide on picking stocks that double in value. I'm just going to give it to you away for free. I know a lot of people will sell information like this for hundreds of dollars, but I'm just going to give it to you. I'll explain why in just a second. But first of all, I want to tell you what this is about. Back when I first started investing over 10 years ago, I almost lost everything I had in the stock market and got taken out of the stock market completely. Started like $15,000. I got down to $7,000, and I made a life-changing decision. I decided I had to figure out a way to make money, and that meant trying to figure out how to find the stocks that could go up the most so I could make my money back and more. And I did that. I sat down and did a careful study to try to identify the common characteristics of stocks that have gone up the most in the past, so I could apply that to the present and then make money in the future. And that's what I did. I made all my money back, and then within a year I had made over $100,000. It might have been like 14 months or so, but you get the idea. But now this was back in the internet days, and when I was doing this right, I was finding stocks that would go up 50% in just hours, sometimes 200 or 300% within a week. And that kind of stuff isn't very common now, but you can do this and find stocks that go up over weeks at a time that can double like that, or double over months, and you can do it safely. To make that $700,000 to $100,000, I was using lots of leverage and margin, and I was just starting out and had money to risk. But you can make returns like that much safer by diversifying in 10 stocks and dividing, your account up like that and getting it so these stocks are working for you. Not any one stock can really cause you a lot of harm if things don't work out the way you expect. And that's what I advocate. That's what I'm doing right now. And at the moment, I've got over 10 positions a little bit, but I've got an overall return of like 20%. All these positions divide out as I'm doing this video. Of course, that can change today or tomorrow or whatever when I post this on the website, but you get the idea. This method works. And what it does is combine fundamental analysis. I look at for stocks with great earnings growth and certain specific valuation metrics probably you haven't heard of, but they're real easy to find. They're all over the internet. Then there's a couple specific technical patterns, chart patterns, that I use too to time the entry points in stocks that got the best patterns to go up the most at the right moment, and put that all together, and bam, I got a great formula and system. That's what's called the twofold formula. And what's gonna happen is I'm gonna send you an email on Monday next week, and you're gonna get that email, you're gonna open it up, it's gonna take you to my website, and bam, the PDF file's gonna be right there, and you're gonna open it up, print it out, take it somewhere and read it, and you're gonna see exactly how simple this is and how you can start applying it right now to start making money in your account, because this is the perfect time to be using this type of strategy. And I don't know how long you've been getting my videos, but in July 2008, no, actually May of 2008, I was telling people to get out of the stock market completely, to sell their stocks, not to buy stocks, not to listen to anyone who tells you to buy stocks. In fact, to short stocks, you want to make money, and that's exactly what I did last fall, and it worked. And now I'm telling you not to short the stock market, but to make money by buying stocks and to use this guide to see how to find the stocks to do it with. Now, why am I giving this information to you for free when I could be selling it to you like other people do with financial websites? Well, it's simple. Two reasons. One, when I give good information like this out, a lot of people forward on to their friends. It's got like a viral type nature to it, which generates more traffic to my website and more attention to more video. When I put out more stuff, more people are reading it and so forth. And secondly, this is how I build my business. On next Wednesday, September the 30th, the very last day of September, I'm going to open up 500 spots to my Wall Street Window Power Investor service, and that's how I make money, is through this subscription service. And in this subscription service, if you want to get more involved with the stuff I'm doing, I suggest you take one of these spots. And you don't hesitate in doing so, because it tends to sell out fairly quickly, which is pretty amazing. Still amazes me, but it happens. And part of the reason why is word of mouth. when people sign up, I found that only 10% of the people end up asking for refunds. And I got this incredible refund policy that you'll read about that eliminates almost any risk. In fact, it puts all the risk on me for doing this, but you'll see exactly what I'm talking about once you look at that offer. But there's all kinds of bonuses. I give you my stock market course, complete course, that people are charging thousands of dollars for. So there's all kinds of stuff. In fact, you're going to see my real portfolio. Once you sign up to this, you'll see all my real positions, and I'll even tell you when I sell them. And I'll give you my watch list of stocks that I'm thinking about buying, that I'm looking at in considering buying before I even buy them. So you just get everything I'm doing right there in this service. And I like giving out good information, good free information, like this course and all the other videos I've given to you, because that lets you know that the stuff I'm giving you is for real, and that way you can get a good feel for the quality of information that you can get when you sign up for the Power Investor service. But sign up or not, for sure, on Monday you're going to open up that email and you're going to get this, you're going to print out, you're going to read it, and I think it can really have a huge impact on your investing. And we're facing what I believe is going to be a powerful rally towards the end of the year in December. Probably will carry over well into the next quarter or the first quarter of 2010. And if you apply these principles in this report during that rally, you're going to be loving life. So anyway, check things out next Monday, and I'll be talking to you later.